you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this beautiful vintage Edwardian prayer shawl. I absolutely love it. It features this shell stitch and it's so pretty and delicate. And so for this project, the free pattern is available as always on my blog, selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the description box. And so for this project, I used 4 skeins of this yarn, which is called Rowan Cotton Glacé. And these are 50-gram balls, and I used shade Ecru. So this is a classic mercerized 100% cotton in a DK light 3 weight. So you can substitute this very easily with another brand if you want. I also used a 4mm crochet hook and a 4.5mm crochet hook. You will also be needing a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle, and that's it. So I will be speaking in US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my small channel. And if you want more feminine crochet content, don't forget to head over to my Patreon page. The link is in the description box. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, take your yarn, make a slip knot and pop your hook through, tighten. And so once you've done that, you will be chaining 46. So 1, 2, 3. Now you are going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains from the hook and placing a double crochet into that. So to create a double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into that chain, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and that creates a double crochet. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and skip those and place 4 double crochets into the next chain. So go into that next chain and place 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochets inside that chain. Now chain 2, 1 and 2. So now that you've chained 2, you are going to be placing a double crochet into the next chain, like so. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 5 chains and go into the next chain with 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, place a double crochet into the next chain, and once again chain 2, 1 and 2, skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go into the next chain with 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, go into the next chain with 1 double crochet, and now to finish off this row, and obviously your row will be longer but the principle is the same, chain 2 and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and go into the last chain and place 4 double crochets into that. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is row 1 completed. And now I'm going to show you row 2, and this is quite easy. Then it will be from row 2 forward, it will be just a simple repeat of that same row. So now for row 2 you are going to be chaining 4, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, turn your work, and you will be placing a double crochet into that same first stitch here. So just go ahead and place a double crochet into that first stitch. Now what you are going to be doing is chain 2, 1 and 2, and miss this chain 2 space here. So miss this chain 2 space here and go into the next chain 2 space, which is the space between the 1 double crochet and the cluster of 4 double crochets. So go directly into that space with 4 double crochets, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, 1 and 2, and place a double crochet into that same chain 2 space like so. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and skip this next space here and go directly into the next space, which is also between the double crochet and cluster of 4 double crochets, and place 4 double crochets, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochets, chain 2 and 1 double crochet like so, and now chain 2, 1 and 2, skip the next space here and go into the next space, and place 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2 and 1 double crochet and chain 2, and now you are going to be placing 4 double crochets into the very last stitch. So just go ahead and place 4 double crochets into this last stitch here. So just go directly into that. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is what we have for row 2. And now for row 3 it will simply be a repeat of this row over and over. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn your work and place another double crochet inside this stitch here, chain 2, skip this space here and go into this space here, and place 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2 and place another double crochet into that. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, skip this space and go into the next with 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2, skip this space and go into the next here with 4 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochets and chain 2 and 1 double crochet, and now chain 2 and go into the last stitch here and place 4 double crochets into that. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And this is what we have. So obviously your rows will be a lot longer, but just carry on with this stitch. And so once you have your 93 rows, I'm going to show you how to make the very simple single crochet edging. And so for this edging you are going to be switching to the 4.5mm crochet hook, and obviously you've not fastened off, and we are simply going to be starting our border edging on this side, so across the top here. So just go ahead and chain 1, and this does not count as a stitch. I'm just going to zoom in a tiny bit. And so now you are going to be going into the very first stitch with a single crochet. So just go ahead and place a single crochet into that, and go into the next stitch with another single crochet, and just place a single crochet into each and every stitch across, including the chain spaces which count as stitches. So just go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what to do on the corner. Okay, so I've reached the first corner, as you can see, and what we are going to be doing is just simply, so I've placed a single crochet into this corner stitch here, and just go ahead and place another single crochet into that, and now go all the way down on the other side of this side, so just go all the way down the other side with single crochets. And so just to make it clear that this is what I call the wrong side of the stitches, meaning that this is the row side, so you won't have a specific stitch into which you are working. Just make sure that you place single crochets all the way across this side. And I forgot also to say, so once you've completed this side, just again place 2 single crochets in the next corner, go across the chain side, and then place 2 single crochets in the corners again, and then go across the other side, which is the 4th side. And once you've completed the 4th side, I'll get back to you because that will be where we began. So I've gone all the way around, as you can see, and now to finish off, I'm simply going to be slip stitching through the first single crochet that we made, like so. I'm going to snip off my yarn and pull through the loop. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I love this prayer shawl. It's so pretty. It's so feminine. It's so delicate. I love it. So let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. And I'll see you all in my next video.